I got few requests asking for eggless cakes. So I thought of doing this apple cake with semolina, and it has only 20 grams butter. So let's start doing this. I'm using 2 large apples with 1 lemon, 80 grams semolina and 70 grams self-raising flour, 100 milliliters milk, 20 grams butter and 80 grams sugar. You can always add extra sugar if you like more sweetness. This is so simple and easy to do. First, into a bowl, grate the apples. After, squeeze the lemon into it. Lemon stops browning the apple. Now leave it aside. Now into a separate bowl, add the semolina, then the self-raising flour and the sugar. Mix it well. Melt the butter and add into the milk. Now add the melted butter into the milk. Mix it. I have this 5-inch round cake pan. Into that, add a spoonful of the semolina and the sugar mix. After, add apples onto it. Then add semolina again. And add the apples. And press. Then add semolina. And add the leftover apple. Press and add the leftover semolina mix. You can add so many layers if you like. Now press inwards and get the butter and the milk and pour over top. Press and using a bread knife, just press it inwards for the milk to go in. This goes to the preheated oven, 180 Celsius, about 20 to 30 minutes, or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. So the apple cake is ready and I left it to cool down. So run a knife through and take the cake out. So it's with nice layers, and this is a really nice dessert cake that you can try at home. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.